Today I'm showing you how to make this beautiful portobello mushroom burger without a bread bun. It's vegan, it's gluten-free, it's low carb and also absolutely delicious. We're gonna dive into it right now. Let's get started with the burger patties. I'm using for that the Scarlett-Runner-Beans. They're from Austria and we call them KÄFERBOHNEN. If you're not familiar with them or those are not available to you, you can obviously substitute with black beans, pinto beans or kidney beans. We're getting started by sauteing some onion and then I'm adding some garlic, some tomato paste and dried herbs. In the end, I am adding our beans. I'm just adding a little bit of water and cook that for about 3 minutes. We're gonna let that cool. And now we're putting the whole mixture into a food processor, so we don't want a fine paste, we still want a little bit of consistency. I will also use a little bit of my secret ingredient, which I'm going to tell you right now what that is, because it helps to bind everything together. I just recommend it for vegan dishes without eggs and I use it all the time. There are no failures in the kitchen anymore because just everything is always bound together really well. And that secret ingredient is called psyllium husk. So it's actually really healthy for you as well. It's also used for internal cleansing. So we're gonna sprinkle that over our mixture and then I'm gonna form our burger patties. We set that aside and now I'm preparing our portobello mushroom caps. We leave that in the oven for about 20 minutes at 180 degrees and in the meantime I'm preparing our pickled red onion, which is so easy to make and is such a nice element on your dish, color-wise and also flavor-wise of course. So all we're doing, I am thinly slicing the red onion. I'm going to add a cup of warm water to it with some red wine vinegar, agave and salt. Now we're going to shake that up and set that in the fridge until we're ready to plate. Because I'm making an Austrian inspired burger today, I'm making a pumpkin seed mayonnaise. I use the Hellmann's mayonnaise, which you can find in most grocery stores today. And then I have the green gold from Austria, we call it, the pumpkin seed oil. And all I'm going to do is blend those two things together and then you get this really nutty, flavorful, green colored mayonnaise. So this is obviously optional if this is not available to you. If it is though, absolutely recommended. For the vegan portobello mushroom burger, I'm also slicing some avocado and tomato. I'm also going to add a little bit of kale. So time to plate, you guys. My favorite part of each recipe when all our beautiful components are coming together.
I love you.
And this is our beautiful vegan, low carb, healthy portobello mushroom burger, you guys. Let me know down below what you think of this recipe, if this is something you would make at home. Thank you so much for being here today. I will be back very soon with another really creative, healthy recipe.